Okay, today we draw in Eminem. We call it in my country Eminem. But after I did that, I felt it's not as similar to Eminem. But I try to do my best. But it has some tale that I wanna tell at you. But before that, I wanna say I apologize if I'm not recently active in this channel. It's because of my university's exams and my laptop's problem. But I gotta say, the news is my laptop problem fixed, and I can edit my videos. I can see my face again. But for now, I'm not able to do that. Okay, let's go to the main story. I did a lot of things to learn your language, like watching movies, working podcasts, and working on musics. I don't know, but what was like miracle for me? It was music. It's exactly that time that I started listening to the English music. But the pop musics are not that difficult for me, and they are not challenging me that way to make my skills improve. I just had one music of Eminem. It was named "Lose Yourself." Yeah, it's so prominent, and it's exactly that music that Eminem say, "Lose yourself in the music" and something like that. Okay, I don't wanna repeat that music. Before that, I listened to this music again and again and again. We're just enjoying the rhythm and nothing else. But one time, I suddenly listened "Without You" music. This is that music that Eminem says he created Slim Shady because no one wanted to listen to Marshall anymore. So this music has high energy, and I listened to that and I was so curious about the topic of that. I really was curious about what Eminem wanted to say in this music. I know he's talking so quick in his music, so I decided to translate, but before that, I decided just to repeat again, and try and analyze it by my ears. And I did that. And after I started translating it, I know I did a lot of mistakes when I were listen to the music. Was not really quite understand what you're saying, but after I know the translate that's meaning, so I was like this. I was walking around in the house and repeating this music again. And my family was like this. Is he crazy? What's he doing? Is he talking himself? Yeah, I'm talking myself because this is one role for me and all the students who learn English, that they gotta talk to themselves. Even they have to sit toward the mirror and talk to each other, talk to themselves, and they gotta do that for their listening skill, their speaking skill. And after I did that, I started the work on Eminem's music. So I did download another music from this guy, and listen that. I know a lot of these musics are so amazing. A lot of these musics are so amazing, and when I listen to them sometime, I really like to share it to others and say, he say that in his music, he tell us these stuffs in his music, but But my folks really don't matter that, because they listen to Persian pop music, and sometimes they not just listen any type of the music, so I've worked on Eminem's music, and after a while I really liked Eminem's personality. Is that personality? Yes, this is personality. That's all about your feature and what you do, your habits, and who you are. This is personality. If I tell that in a correct way, so you know, I really don't listen to rap music, even in Persian, because in my country there are a lot of rappers, rap rappers there. Yeah, we call it rapper. There are a lot of rappers that active on Persian rap music, Persian rap community, and when you listen to them, all they want to say they have a lot of effects in Persian rap community, and it's like they made it Persian rap community by their own hands, and it's like they all are fighting each other. I don't know why. So I gotta say, I really don't like Persian rap music. I don't listen to another artist in English community, but I just listen to Eminem music. I don't wanna insult other rap artists, because I see some certain rapper just insult each other's rappers fans, because they don't like other rappers fans, and they don't like other rappers. But for me, it's not. It's just I'm big fan Eminem, but I believe now the rappers are working so hard for themselves, for their fans, and it's not appropriate behavior that you insulting other rappers or other rappers fans. But I gotta say, I really love Eminem's rap music, and it's like when I'm in the pathway university, I just listen to this guy's music, and also watch the music takes in the same time, to just analyze that, to memorize that, and really had positive effect on my listening skill, and what was that, speaking skill. Thank you all for watching my video. I gotta say, I apologize if I'm not that active these days. It's because recently I'm so busy, but I'm do try make you satisfied. So maybe I'll work on it more. So please subscribe me, and I don't have anything else to say. Thank you for watching this video.
initially showed.